Bitcoin gives you something no bank can: complete control over your own money. But with that freedom comes responsibility. You see, most Bitcoin losses don't happen because of sophisticated hacking. They happen through simple, avoidable human mistakes. A convincing phishing email, a fake app, a lost recovery phrase, an exchange suddenly freezing your account. To stay safe, think of Bitcoin security as 3 layers of armor. First, your device. Your phone or computer is the foundation. If it's weak, everything on top is weak too. Treat your device like the front door to your home. Lock it properly. Use a strong PIN, biometrics like Face ID. Keep your software updated and only download trusted apps. Stay away from public Wi-Fi when managing your funds. Second, your wallet. This is where your digital money lives. Lock it down with a strong password or PIN. And critically, never store Bitcoin on exchanges long-term. Their wallet means their rules and their risk. You could find your access suddenly restricted. Real Bitcoin ownership begins only when you control the keys. Finally, the most important layer, your recovery phrase. These 12 to 24 words are the master key to everything. They can rebuild your entire wallet from scratch. If someone gets this phrase, they get your Bitcoin. If you lose it, you lose access forever. Store it like a precious document, offline, secure, fireproof, with 2 copies in different, safe places. And a crucial warning, if anyone ever asks you for your recovery phrase, it is a scam. No exceptions. Also, be wary of fake apps and phishing sites that mimic the real ones. Always double-check the web address. For long-term storage, use a hardware wallet to keep your keys completely offline. And maintain your privacy. No one needs to know how much Bitcoin you have. It all comes down to this: protect your device, secure your wallet, and guard your recovery phrase. Do these 3 things and you become a responsible Bitcoin owner, protecting what is truly yours.